Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. If you are like me, looking for the perfect size pouch to carry your Soundcore Liberty Air 2 earbuds, this is the video for you. Currently, I have 3 pairs of wireless earbuds, and these Liberty Air 2 earbuds are the everyday earbuds I carry with me all the time. It is one of the best sound quality earbuds you can find on the market, with a compact size of roughly 5.5 by 5 by 2.5 centimeters. Because it is such a pocketable size, I didn't want to find a pouch that would make it bulky. So I went on Amazon, eBay, and everywhere to find the perfect pouch for my Liberty Air 2. The first pouch I wanted to share with all of you is this round neoprene pouch. It provides quite a bit of a protection from drop and scratches, and it has a latch for me to attach a carabiner hook. I could simply throw the Liberty Air 2 into my bag, but I run the risk of scratching it, and the charging case could open and the earbuds could fall out. With this pouch, I can rest assured that my earbuds are safe in the bag. The zippers is pretty easy to open and close because of the round compact size design of this pouch. The pouch has been with me for about 9 months now, ever since I bought my Liberty Air 2 earbuds. Even the color on the carabiner hook has already worn off, but this pouch is still looking good. I usually have this pouch sitting on the table while I watch my YouTube video during my coffee break or lunch break. Just when I thought I had already found the most perfect fitting pouch for my earbuds, last week I accidentally stumbled upon this pouch, which seems to be tailor-made specifically for Liberty Air 2. I discovered this pouch by chance, and I think this pouch might have been designed for the Generation 1 dental floss Apple Airpods. I think you all know which AirPod I'm referring to. In which case, my Liberty Air 2 fits perfectly in this ultra compact pouch. Before I bought this pouch, I was still wondering if it would be too tight for the zippers to zip up, but to my surprise, the zippers are still pretty smooth, and there is an edge layer protecting the zipper from scratching the earbuds. The best thing is that the fit is so snug that the earbuds won't drop out even if I invert it upside down. This is really nice and secure. The other thing about this pouch is that it comes with a carabiner hook, and the hook is on top of the pouch. With the previous round neoprene pouch that I showed earlier, the hook is on the side of the zipper. If I accidentally left it unzipped, the earbuds will fall out of the other pouch. With this pouch, I don't have to worry about it falling out. This is my alpaca Bravo X Sling bag. This bag has a unique magnetic design for me to hook this pouch. I have my earbuds charging case magnetically attached to the side of this bag, while the earbuds are in my ear. The magnet makes it so easy for me to reach for my earbuds case during those times when I'm using my earbuds to talk on the phone, listen to music, or watch YouTube videos. And when I'm finished using my earbuds, I can then detach it to keep them safely in the sling bag. This compact earbuds pouch, together with the magnetic sling bag attachment, complements each other so well, making it so convenient. The magnetic attachment is a unique design of my Bravo X Sling bag. I bagged this sling bag on Indiegogo and made a video of this sling bag. Follow this link to watch the full video and find out all about the brilliant design of this alpaca Bravo X. Okay, now back to these 2 pouches. This is the side-by-side comparison of the 2 pouches. The second square-fitting pouch is actually much more compact compared to the round neoprene pouch. I can actually feel quite a big difference when I put either of them in my pants pocket. And by the way, I didn't buy these pouches from Amazon or eBay or any online store. It's actually from a $2.80 variety store called Daiso in my city. Yes, each of these pouches only costs $2.80. Daiso has quite a lot of stores worldwide, so I hope there is a store near you. And finally, I need your help and suggestions. I thought of upgrading my Soundcore Liberty Air 2 to the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Yes, those kidney beans buds. Do you all think it's a worthwhile upgrade? And which color should I choose? Please let me know in the comments down below. And now I wonder which pouch will the Galaxy Beans earbuds fit. Anyway, please click the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for your support and encouragement over these times. I truly appreciate it. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.